Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2000 I think 6 or 7 Dodge Caravan. It's a 3.3 liter V6, and today we are changing thermostat and thermostat housing on this car. So it's pretty easy job. You can do it at home, right? You don't need any special tool for that. And customer facing an issue that temperature gauge going up and not going to the optimum temperature. Sometimes it's going above the optimum temperature, or sometimes it takes so long to get warm up. So to change this one, you need to open this one. That's a 8 mm. You can unclamp it, you can make it loose, right? And you have to open these two. These are 13 mm. So first of all, just loosen this up. It's pretty loose now, right? And then you can open these 13 mm. That's a upper radiator hose. Make sure whenever you are working on this, make sure your car is cold. Otherwise there are chances that you can burn your hand with the hot coolant. So it's better just let your car sit for 4-5 hours, then it will get cold, and then you can work on this one. So first of all, loosen this up. It's pretty loose. Now we're gonna pull that pipe back, right? So let's do it. Sometime you have to use the screwdriver. You can see it's pretty rusty, so we're gonna use screwdriver to pull this one back, or you can use flat screwdriver to pull this one back. So that's how. So you can see the rust. So make sure your car is cold, and we already take out all the coolants. That's why it's not dripping anything from here. So next step is to open these screws. These are 13 mm. So let's do. You can use ratchet and 13 mm to pull this one out. So both screws are unbolted. Now you're gonna pull it like this, and that's your thermostat. And see the condition of this one, it's pretty bad. That's why sometimes the car took so long to get hot, and sometimes it gets so hot. So that's the main reason. So we are changing it with another one. We got it from the Amazon. I'll show you guys in a bit. Yeah, so that's the new one. We got it for our car. It says Motorrad. We got it from Amazon for 30 bucks. It comes with a housing. That's the housing with gasket, and yeah, and a new thermostat. So that's our all. See, the gasket is pretty worn, so we're gonna put this one. So to put this one, make sure just take a picture so that you get to know how to put it back. So it should be like this. So let's open this up. So that's our part, and before putting that gasket you have to put this one, and that cut go will here like this. So it will go like this, yeah. So it will go like this, and then you can put a gasket on top of that like this, or on the other side. Yeah, so like this you can put your gasket. And when you're putting this back, make sure your surface is smooth. So we're gonna use a knife or sandpaper to clean this up. When you're putting back, make sure you put it back the way you take it out. So that's how you're gonna put it back. So let me move some stuff from here. So yeah, so like this you can put it back. Then after that you have to put screws over there to hold it properly, and then you can tighten it up. So after tightening the screw, you can put that hose back like this, and you can tighten this screw with 8 mm. So that's how guys you can change the thermostat on your car and the housing. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you are low on coolant because you moved that pipe and your coolant will spill away, so just add some coolant here or check your radiator for the coolant. Thank you so much guys, have a good